My name is Rod Lagoon. I'm the Executive Director of Career Pathways at Axial Training. We're an apprenticeship and traineeship and schools training company operating out of New South Wales and Queensland. We've been established since 1997 and we're proud of the services we deliver. We've trained over 100,000 students to well over 15,000 businesses in the time since our establishment. How do we do that? We sit with the apprentice or the trainee in a contact visit with the trainer one-on-one. Not in classes, it's individual training that is delivered at the student's pace at a time that suits them and the employer. In fact, we involve the employers in the training program design. We make sure everything works for the employer and the student. For us, it's all about outcomes. Apprenticeships and traineeships have to be completed for the benefit of everybody, and we do everything we can to ensure that is done without any stress or hassle.